This is your Weather Extreme video for Sunday, Easter Sunday, April the 5th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in. Our surface weather map this morning features the surface high pressure over North Carolina, or over the Carolinas actually, and that is allowing moisture to return into the state of Texas and up into Oklahoma, the lower Mississippi River Valley. That will be bringing us some rain chances on Monday. The upper air pattern is going to be featuring a weak ridge for the better part of the week ahead until late in the week, about Friday, when we'll see another weather system. This morning, temperatures generally in the 40s across central Alabama, but the northeastern part of Alabama is a bit nippier, where our sky watchers up there have been reporting some light frost as temperatures got down into or just below the freezing mark. QPF-wise, we're looking at rainfall over the next 5 days on the order of probably about an inch. Most of that coming probably on Monday, but some of it with scattered showers for the rest of the week. Storm Prediction Center is not outlooking any organized severe weather for today. There's a small marginal area down in the Big Bend country of Texas. On day 2, that's Monday, no organized severe thunderstorms are forecast. And then on day 3, which is Tuesday, there's a marginal risk out in parts of Oklahoma, Missouri, and Kansas. And then looking out even further, out into kind of their days 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is day 5, which is Thursday, and that shows a risk theory. We'll talk about that when we get to it. All right, there's 060 GFS model run this morning, and there's our surface high pressure over the Carolinas that is moving off into the Atlantic. And once again, that is allowing moisture to return into the lower Mississippi River Valley. In the meantime, in the upper atmosphere on Monday, we're coming under a weak ridge. But if you notice, there's these little disturbances in the flow. And that is helping with a southwesterly flow to bring us some moisture. So it looks like showers are a pretty good possibility for most everybody on Monday as we head back to work after the Easter weekend. The upper air pattern Tuesday features a ridge, and I think we should dry out somewhat on Tuesday, but showers still a possibility on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we see the ridge building a little bit stronger, and that means we're going to get into the lower 80s for the highs. So going to warm up nicely on Wednesday and into Thursday. But it looks like probably on Wednesday and then maybe even on Thursday with the ridge in place that we should stay fairly dry. But we are on Thursday watching that next system, which is going to be producing a surface low over the Central Plains. And that's the day that the Storm Prediction Center has outlooked severe weather for the Central Plains states. So that looks like that could be an active weather day for that area. That may become an active weather day for us on Friday as the trough and the closed low move into the Great Lakes on Friday, and that drags the cold front down into our area, and it looks like the front could be strong enough that we may see some risk of severe weather. Models are coming in more close agreement, so confidence is increasing, but it's still a long ways out, so we'll be keeping a wary eye on that one. By Saturday, the trough has moved out of the Great Lakes and into the Canadian Maritimes, and that should drag the front through. So it looks like Saturday should be a beautiful day, improving weather for central Alabama. It looks like we stay nice on Sunday with a fairly substantial ridge, but the next system already taking shape in the Rockies, and that next system probably will come our way in the Tuesday time frame or so of the following week. And looking out into Voodoo Country, just very quickly, just pick one map here, and this is the upper air pattern for the 15th of April. Yes, tax day, and it does show a fairly substantial shortwave trough moving through the flow, and that could produce some weather situation for the southeastern United States for the 14th, 15th time frame. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Extreme video for this Sunday morning. James Spann will be back with the next edition first thing on Monday morning. In the meantime, stay tuned to the blog for notes on our ever-changing Alabama weather.